Hello friends, welcome back to Coding Theory Guru. In this video we are going to learn about DFD, means data flow diagram in software engineering. Okay, what is DFD? A data flow diagram. DFD is a diagram that shows how data moves through a system. It explains where the data comes from, where it goes, how it is stored, and how it is proceed. In short, DFD shows the flow of information inside a system. Okay, so a data flow diagram shows how data moves through a system, and it tells us where the data comes from and where it goes, how it is stored, and how it is processed. So, in simple words, a DFD explains the flow of information in system. Okay. How to design a DFD? To design a DFD, follow these steps. Okay. Identify external entities who provides input or receives output, like user, customer, or system. So these are people or systems that interact with your system, like users, customers, or other systems. Okay. Second is identify data, identify process. Okay, what activities the system performs, like login, order processing, payment. Okay, these are the activities the system performs, like login, payment, or other order processing. Third is identify data stores, where data is kept, like database files, means where data is stored, like a database or files. Then show data flows, arrows that show how data moves between entities, processes, and data stores, like draw arrows to show how data moves between entities, processes, and data stores. Okay, draw DFD levels. Level 0 context diagram shows the system as a single process with inputs and outputs, means show the system as one single process with inputs and outputs. Okay, level 1, level 2, break down the main process into smaller detailed process, means break the main process into smaller detailed process. Then DFD symbols. External entity means rectangle represents outside users or systems. Okay, then process. Circle or rounded rectangle represents activities or functions, means external entity. Rectangle represents outside users or systems. Okay, and process. Circle or rounded rectangle represents function or activities. Third is data store. Open-ended rectangle represents database or storage. Then data flow. Arrows shows movement of data. Data store means open-ended rectangle represents storage like database. Then data flow, arrow show how data moves. Okay, example, let's take an online food ordering system as an example. Entities: customer, restaurant, payment gateway. Processes: place order, make payment, send confirmation. Data stores: order database, customer database. Data flows: customer, place order, order database. Customer, make payment, payment gateway, confirmation. Okay, in zero level DFD, the whole online food ordering system is shown as one process with inputs from customers and outputs like order confirmation. Means the in the level of zero DFD, the whole online food ordering system is one process with inputs from the customer and outputs like order confirmation. Then in level 1 DFD, the single process is broken into smaller process like place order, process payment, and update database. In level 1 DFD, the single process is broken into smaller process like place order, process payment and update database. Okay, in short, the DFD helps developers and users understand the flow of data in a system clearly and visually. Means a DFD helps developers and users understand the flow of data in a system clearly and visually, making system design easier. Okay, thank you.